I don't know about you, but lately my skin has been stressed. So I came up with 4 easy scrubs that you can make at home for amazing glowing skin. This first scrub is an orange and turmeric scrub. This is going to be used on your dark circles and hyperpigmentation or acne scars or any other dark marks on your skin that you are trying to brighten up. So you're going to start by boiling 1 cup of water in a small pot, and then you're going to grab yourself a large orange. Go ahead and rinse it off really well because coronavirus. And then you're gonna peel it, and you're gonna get about 6 orange peels. Once your orange peels are ready and you have your water boiling, go ahead and drop your orange peels into the boiling water and turn your heat down to about medium-low heat so it can simmer for about 15 minutes. Now for our dry ingredients. So, when I use turmeric on my skin, I like to keep it in a separate container. So there's my little container of turmeric, and I put 1 teaspoon of turmeric into a small glass bowl. I like to use glass because turmeric stains everything. And you're gonna take some raw honey, and you will need about a teaspoon of that. Next, you're going to add 3 to 4 drops of vitamin E oil or any other oil of your choice. And then you're gonna grab that orange essence water that we made and add 1 tablespoon of that. So now you're going to combine all of your ingredients. I like to use this metal knife because, again, turmeric stains literally everything. So use things that aren't gonna stain, like stainless steel and glass. And so just mix it up and get it to about a thin paint consistency, and then you're ready to use it. So this particular scrub can either be used as a mask or a scrub. So I like to use this as an under eye mask because it does a great job of tightening and brightening my under eye area. But you can also use this as a scrub all over your face, and you can use this for dark marks, hyperpigmentation, or acne scars. But just be careful because turmeric stains everything. So if you're gonna put it all over your face, don't leave it on for more than 5 or 10 minutes. Turmeric is a natural brightening agent along with the orange water, and honey is for moisture. So next we are gonna make a lavender and tea tree scrub. And this scrub is for people who have oily and acne prone skin. So if your skin is very sensitive, please do a patch test first by making a small amount and then putting it behind your ear to see if your skin gets inflamed. So measure out 1/4 of a cup of baking soda. I like to make my scrubs in small batches since these are all natural ingredients. You're going to need 1 teaspoon of honey. And then you're gonna grab that orange essence water that we made earlier and put a tablespoon in there. And you can store it in an airtight container in the fridge for up to a week and use it as a toner. Next, add 4 drops of tea tree oil and 4 drops of lavender oil. Feel free to add a few extra drops to up the aromatherapy. So go ahead and mix all your ingredients together, and this scrub smells so good. That lavender and tea tree mixture together just smells amazing. So mix it together until you get a paste consistency. So I like to apply my scrubs or my mask with a makeup brush. It just makes it easier. And then I scrub my skin in small circles. The baking soda is for exfoliation and balancing the oil. The honey is for moisture. The essential oils are for healing, and the orange water is for toning. I call this next one the lemonade scrub because it smells lemony and fresh and delicious. This scrub is great for when your skin feels rough and looks very dull, and it's also great with fading dark marks. So it starts with 1/4 of a cup of sugar. And then you will add the juice of 1/2 of a lemon. I like to use lemon in a lot of my DIY skin products and beauty rituals because lemon is great with tightening your skin and fading dark marks. Also, you will add 1 teaspoon of honey, and finally you will add 4 drops of lemongrass essential oil. If you don't have lemongrass essential oil, you can make essential oil water by boiling stalks of lemongrass, or you can skip this step, or you can add tea tree oil. But lemongrass oil smells amazing, and it has wonderful healing properties for your skin. Listen, this stuff smells like Chick-fil-A lemonade on a hot day, okay? So I added a little bit more lemon because my consistency was a bit thick, so I wanted to thin it out with a little bit of lemon, and just keep stirring until you get everything combined thoroughly. When you have oily and acne-prone skin especially, it's important to exfoliate more often than people with less oily skin. So oily and acne-prone skin, we have to exfoliate 3 to 4 times a week. Sometimes I exfoliate every day if my skin is really just junked up with a bunch of sweat and sun and moisturizer. So the sugar and the lemon are natural exfoliants. The lemongrass oil is for healing and also antibacterial, and the honey adds a little bit of moisture. So this last scrub smells delicious. This coffee scrub is for people who have dry skin and or puffiness underneath your eyes. So we're gonna start with 1/3 of a cup of coffee grounds of any kind. And after that, you will add 2 tablespoons of sugar. The caffeine in the coffee grounds helps to tighten up your skin and reduce that puffiness, and the sugar is a natural exfoliant and moisturizer. And so then we will add honey, 1 tablespoon, about 6 drops of oil of your choice. I have a vitamin E oil, and then we will add 4 drops of lavender essential oil. Stir everything together until it's well combined, and if it's a little too thick, feel free to add any more oil or honey to get it to a thinner consistency. All of the scrubs I have shown you in this video will last for about a week in the refrigerator in an airtight container. So I just apply it to my skin, and oh man, it just smells so good, I can't even take it. But just rub it around in circular motions, and once your skin feels smooth and moisturized, you will just take a damp washcloth and wipe it off. After that, do your toner and your moisturizer, and your skin is going to look phenomenal. My skin feels so soft and smooth, it feels like I just left the spa. I hope you decide to give these recipes a try, and thanks for watching.